How to buy Google Play gift cards online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how we can buy Google Play gift cards online. So let's get started. First of all, open up your browser and you can head over to Amazon.com or a different retailer that is selling Google Play cards such as Walmart, Best Buy, or Google's own store as well. So you can just head over to Amazon.com, which is one of the easiest method. So here, you can go ahead and type in Google gift cards. Just go ahead and type in that on the search bar and wait for the results to be loaded. When loaded, you'll be finding different options available. So you can just go ahead and pick up the gift card amount that works the best for you, such as $10, $25, $50, or whatever value you prefer. And you can just go ahead and add the Google Play gift card to your card and then proceed to checkout. Once you have entered your payment information, make sure you're purchasing an e-gift card if you want it delivered digitally. And once you've completed the purchase, you'll receive a Google Play gift card code via email. So if you bought a physical gift card, it will be mailed to you. Now you can redeem the code on your Google Play account to buy apps, games, music, movies, and more. And that is it. Now you've successfully bought up a Google Play gift card. So if this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more tips, and thank you for watching this video.